Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik, and in today's news we have Mutter, a short classic RPG with old school graphics. You can play this right away in browser. Dopel 1, a 16-bit musical experience set in an isekai city of Neo Arcadia. Play as Luneia the fortune teller and solve mysteries by looking into the past, present, or future of people of the town of Salem. A pack of farm tools and weather icons by Kaz. 12 BGMs of metal sci-fi horror music by David KBD. And 5 tracks of cold ambience by Makoto Hiramatsu. Next we have a couple of new plugins. An MV plugin by Gimma that allows us to turn on and off self-switches for any event on any map using a plugin command, from self-switch A all the way to Z. And once you turn on a self-switch of an event from A to Z, you will have to use a script call to read it, since the editor can only handle A to D. Another MV plugin by Monokura. With this, you can assign index or IDs of previous actions to a variable, like the index of the last kill or item you used, or the ID of the last enemy you targeted. A plugin by Hakuen Studio which allows us to play different sound effects for different items and equipments, compatible with both MV and MZ. A paid MZ plugin by Shiropu which allows us to create and edit pixie particle effects right inside our project's test play. Whether you use this plugin or not, be sure to check out its demo available on browser, just to see the awesome-tacular potential this plugin has and how it can bring more life to your projects. Another MZ plugin by Draconis which allows customizing the TP system for each battler. A project template for an evented line of sight system for MZ by The Audi. And lastly, a resource spotlight article on McTricky. He's created great music for the community, and he's also made a damage calculator tool to make it easier to balance the battle system in our RPG Maker games. And with that, that's all we have for today. gameSelfSwitch plugin made me wonder why we don't have A to Z self-switches by default. And as I wonder that, I also wander away from the screen.